Hey, how's it going, guys? Markel here, back with another video, and this is my Mavic Air 2. I've had this drone, I think 3 months after the release. It was released on April 27th, 2020. I bought it in June of 2020, in the height of the pandemic last year. And it gave me something to do. This was very relaxing. Flying this drone here in the city of Medellin, Colombia, and it just gave me something to occupy my time with rather than just continuously sit in the house and do nothing, because we were locked down at that point. I was able to get out, well, not get out, but go up on the roof, fly it around, and have something to do, create footage like this for you guys to see. This is one of the best drones that DJI offers. Okay guys, I appreciate everybody watching this video up to this point. Please like, share, and subscribe. I just wanted to share with you guys how good this drone really is. I know the holiday season is coming up. There's going to be Black Friday deals on this device, and I wanted you to see what it has to offer with photos and video. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.